Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Today on the menu we have mini mushroom burgers that are super delicious. The recipe is for 3 people and it will take us about 35 minutes to prepare it. If you like the content guys, don't forget to give us those thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. And now, let's get started. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy this recipe. If you like the content, give us those thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below and see you next time. Cheers!